Today I'm going to do what I eat in a day. Now you guys have requested a what I eat in a day recipe video, and you've requested maybe healthier recipes. So I thought I'd do both wrapped up into one. Now for those of you that follow me on my vlog channel, you guys know that I had weight loss surgery like well over 2.5 years ago. For those of you looking for an update, I've said this before, I'm not doing any more updates. I did updates like a year post-op. So if you have any questions, you can check out my vlog channel. But at this point in my health journey, I'm just gonna keep it personal. But these ideas might help you. And for those of you that are just curious to see something that I eat, well, here you go. What I eat in a day. So to start, I'm going to make a protein coffee shake. Typically in the mornings, I like to have protein shakes because they're easy to make and it's something that I can do on the go or just something quick when I don't want to cook. So here I have a cup of vanilla protein shake. I'm adding the rest in brewed coffee. And now I'm going to add a dash of cinnamon, ice, give it a mix, and that's an easy protein shake that I can sip on for the morning. Okay, so next up I'm doing a mid-morning snack. You could just do this for breakfast. Here I have one large ripe banana. By the way, I love having bananas and then letting them go ripe just for this type of recipe. So I'm going to mash my banana, and this is sort of what I would consider a low carb-ish pancake. And now I'm going to add 2 large eggs into the bowl. So I've added 2 teaspoons of baking powder. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of healthy seeds. I'm adding a splash of vanilla, a dash of ground cinnamon, give it a mix. And before I forget, I am going to add a pinch of salt. So you're just going to mix this well. And then on a preheated griddle, I'm going to add a little bit of oil, spread it around, and cook these pancakes. Out of this batch, I can get around 7 to 8 small pancakes. So once I plate the pancakes, I like to add a dash of ground cinnamon and dig in. You could also add some pancake syrup to this or maple syrup, but I find the ripe banana is sweet enough. And this is something I eat for a snack, dinner, lunch, breakfast. It's really good and it's simple to make. I also like to stay hydrated. So I drink iced water throughout the day. I probably can get in around 32 to 48 ounces in a day, but that's that. On to lunch. So here I'm going to make a very quick and easy salad. My husband and I love beets, which I always have in the fridge. Here I have some blue cheese dressing, toasted bread slices. I'm also going to add some bacon pieces and just put all of this on top of mixed greens. This is probably my favorite salad. I make this all the time, and just like that, you can whip it up. I'm going to add some cracked black pepper and have lunch. Okay, so this last recipe is something I do weekly, and it's so easy. I have 2 pounds of chicken legs, 2 large sweet potatoes that I've rinsed and brushed well because I am going to keep the skin on. Here I have a 2-pound head of cabbage that I just cut into large chunks. Now, to prep the sweet potatoes, I like to cut them into slices, kind of like finger width slices. I'm kind of eyeballing right now. And then I will add 2 tablespoons of grapeseed oil, give it a mix, coat, then add cracked black pepper and salt, give that a mix, and this is ready for my baking sheet. I'm going to create a 1-pan baking sheet meal. So for the chicken, I'm just going to season with Lowry seasoning salt, garlic powder. I'm going to add some onion powder and some lemon pepper. Season your chicken however you like. This is kind of my go-to seasoning. Give it a mix. And now this is ready to put on my baking sheet. And this is the largest one that I have. And I just put it kind of like in rows. It doesn't matter if it's touching the chicken, it's going to cook. And I'm going to be baking this in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 50 to 55 minutes. And be sure your chicken is completely thawed and the chill is taken off. That actually helps the cooking process for this one sheet meal. So now that it's done, I'm going to remove it from the oven, let it set and cool for about 10 to 15 minutes, serve, or you can do a meal prep. Now I'm going to enjoy dinner. So I hope you guys give these recipes a try. I hope you like them, and thanks for watching!